Good day and welcome. I'll be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 8. Given that root 3 plus root 5 all over root 5 is equals to x plus y root 15, find the value of x plus y. So we are given that root 3 plus root 5 all over root 5. Now we're going to express this now in this form so we can get the value of x and y. Now for us to express this in this form, we have to rationalize this solve. By rationalizing this solve, we multiply the numerator by the denominator and also the denominator by the denominator. And what is the denominator? The denominator here is this root 5. So therefore, rationalizing it, we have root 3 plus root 5 all over root 5 multiplied by root 5 over root 5. Now this will give us, this is equals to root 5 into root 3 plus root 5 all over root 5 times 5. This is equal to, this will give us root 5 times root 3 will give us root 15 plus root 25 all over root 25. Now this is equal to root 15 plus 5 all over 5. Now this 5 was gotten from root 25, that's 5, and root 25 here to give us 5. So this is equals to, you can write it as 5 plus root 15 all over 5. Now this can be rewritten as, this is equals to 5 over 5, that is splitting it, plus root 15 all over 5. Now this is equals to 1 plus root 15 over 5. Now let's go back to our question. The question says, given that this is equals to x plus y root 15. Now if you look at this x here is 1. We can say therefore x equals to 1, because that is it, and then y here now is equals to, and y is equals to 1 all over 5, because y root 15, that's 1 all over 5 multiplied by 15, and that will give us root 15 over 5. So y is equals to 1 over 5. Now the question says you should find x plus y. So x plus y is equals to 1 plus 1 all over 5, and that is equals to 1 whole number 1 over 5. That is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.